don't have shared autos. Shared taxi doesn't really work out to be cheaper. Shared taxi is still expensive.
Shared autos have been regulated.
Can you speak to the driver?
We don't have a, it's not a very popular mode of
So we have actually now, that's what I was telling, 4,600 devices we have placed now. But yes, there is a provision of, can you show where the mobile number is there? So you have a mechanism in which you can take overspeed, mobile number would be there. No? So from here directly you can talk to the driver.
On mobile.
On mobile. Oh, no, he will not be holding a mobile. There will be a speaker
in his
near to his. And he can then, while driving, speak. So overspeeding if it is happening, or you can see that he is stationary for harsh acceleration, or half an hour he has been stationary, he should have left in another next 5 minutes. The depot manager himself can talk through speakers. That is what we are installing.
What is the cost per bus?
Of what, sir?
The system.
The system. So sir, the system is the business model is this way, sir. The way it was derived. 3 years now. Tender came almost 2.5, 3 years back. Around, sir, 70 crores is what for 5 years. Now, there is no investment except for data connectivity at the depot level, MPLS which we have provided. The rest, all connectivities, they have this control center, then the data center, their infrastructure, the infrastructure at the depot is all done by the SI. So, sir, what every month we would be then giving them around 1 crore.
Kind of BOT kind of a model where he installs the entire facility, and once the system goes live, in monthly installments we will be.
He will get
over
around
a period of 5 years.
80 lakhs to.
So
PTIM is different.
Yeah.
It's not part of
Pardon me?
PTIM. Electronic ticketing.
It is part of this. Everything is part of this.
Everything 70.
Everything has been invested by the SI, and we will be paying over 5 years. 5 years maintenance is also by the SI.
6,400. 6,400.
How many machines they have offered?
So there are 10,000 ATMs and 6,400 VTUs plus all whatever infrastructure.
So investment at your level is
none.
None.
Consultant is PwC. Trimax is our price point.
So DPR was prepared.
DPR was prepared by an individual earlier to that, who actually was a private consultant.
It was prepared.
But it was based on Mysore model. You must have seen that Mysore World Bank there is a project called, which based on that experience. Total cost is around 70 crores, 5 years. And that's what I'm saying, around 1 crore,
including architecture,
everything.
maintenance for 5 years,
Everything.
What the system integrated getting.
So system integrator, that's what we are explaining. System integrator would get monthly payment.
16 months monthly payment or
So that is based on the SLA, service level agreement. So he would be getting around.
not transaction basis.
So transaction is actually not transaction.
Not transaction basis.
Transaction we have not. That business model is not
but it is on the number of machines which are
That's
working. Just to put it very simply,
Ah.
number of machines which will be working, it will be apportioned.
So how much VTUs are available? How many ATMs are available? That means they are working based on that. Nothing on the traffic, the transit.
That also
revenue.
there are some caveats in the sense if we only don't deploy if he has given, there is some concession given for that.
So it must be the RFP first design.
Yeah.
Design on redesign the RFP.
Yeah.
Right.
Then SLAs were also defined there. Then tender was called. Then Trimax has come. And consultants after that.
How long they have been in this business now?
But
Trimax can view. Yeah, you will find out.
already share this information. But can you share the RFP?
You can share it out.
RFP is available with the net.
Where do you store the ticket data and for how long?
Yes.
For 1 month.
1 month minimum. Presently we have kept for 1 month. And it's all there. See the data presently every day from ETM it goes, but it sits on the ITS server. Because it is, that's what we told you that GPRS is there. The data keeps on talking to the server.
Where is the server?
Server is a state data center. The government has a state data center. It has housed, the entire thing has been housed there, but they have provided the infrastructure for that, the servers. the connectivity has been provided by them.
Hardware and
At a
connectivity.
later date, suppose we have to analyze
Only space.